Start by mixing your dry ingredients. I've sifted cocoa powder into flour, almond flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. The almond flour is one of my favorite ingredients for baking because it makes these muffins perfectly moist and tender. Ground flaxseed can be used as an egg replacer in baking. To make, combine a tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it and watch it as it thickens and becomes goopy. It will take about 5 minutes to thicken up. In the meantime, chop your baking chocolate. I prefer to chop my own because it has a better texture in these muffins, but you could also use chocolate chips. Next up, mash the sweet potato. These muffins wouldn't be as amazing if it weren't for the sweet potato keeping them moist and sweet. First, bake or steam a sweet potato. Then you'll need 1/4 cup of the puree. Now the flaxseed has gotten thick. This will help to bind the ingredients as the muffins bake. Measure out 1 cup of soy milk, then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm telling you, this special ingredient is everything. It's going to react with the baking soda and make the fluffiest muffins ever. I use it in almost all of my vegan baking. Now add the sweet potato, flaxseed egg, and vanilla. Oh, and I almost forgot the oil. You must add that. Whisk until it's all combined. Pour the wet into the dry ingredients and whisk. Be careful not to overmix it, of course. Fold in most of the chocolate chunks, but save a little for topping the muffins. Line a muffin tray and pour the batter into the muffin cups. This is a lot of batter and it will nearly reach the top of the cups, but that's okay because the muffin tops on these will be perfection. Sprinkle the last of the chocolate chunks onto the batter. Then bake at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Test after 25 minutes. These are my favorite muffins ever. They're fluffy, moist, sweet, chocolatey, and the crispy on the edges muffin tops could be their own perfect dessert. If you want, you could add chopped nuts like pecans to these for a nice treat, but I think they're perfect just as they are. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you want more chocolatey recipes. I am obsessed with chocolate. I hope you are too. So please leave a thumbs up. I mean, even if you don't want more chocolate recipes, leave a thumbs up anyway. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a future video. I'm posting every week and lots of good stuff is coming very soon. You can also sign up for my weekly newsletter. I'm gonna link to that down below along with the recipe for this amazing chocolate sweet potato muffins. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.